Hello and welcome to Kev's Railfanning.
CN detector, Napadogan 185. No alarms. Temperature 23 C. Total axle 518. Speed 47. Détecteur CN, Napadogan 185. Aucun problème. Température 2, 3, C. Total, essieu 5, 1, 8. Vitesse 4, 7.
CN M305 has just passed the hot box detector at mile 185, just west of Grand Falls, and is running along the St. John River on its way to Edmundston. It is July the 5th, 2024 at 17:36 hours, and we are at a private crossing at mile 188.5, Napadogan Sub. One last hurdle exists, though, for the friendly crew. In about 5 miles they will have to slow down to a crawl as they will be taking the siding at St. Leonard. They will be meeting their eastbound counterpart, 306. Power of today's 305 is CN 2980, 3213, 4777, and mid-DPU 2839, with a total of 124 cars in tow. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.